Today we are starting our color unit and we're going to be completing some sketchbook pages, and then we will be completing some more tomorrow. So follow along, and we're going to walk through pages 1 through 4 today, and then we'll walk through some more tomorrow. First, we're going to talk about the element of art, color, and its definition. Color is the element produced by light reflecting off of objects. So on page 1, you need to write the definition of color, which is the element of art produced by light reflecting off objects, and then color the word color in a way that describes the definition. So the best example I can give you for color is rain creating a rainbow. A rainbow is created by light reflecting off of rain, or a rainbow shining off of a window and creating a rainbow, or light reflecting off of a window and creating a rainbow. It's the same thing. All right, so once you finish page 1, you can go ahead and move on. So there are different properties of color. There are different names and vocab words that we discuss. The first one is hue. Hue is what we call just the basic name of a color. So blue, yellow, red, that's called a hue. Value is the lightness or darkness of a color, and we just finished our value unit. And intensity is how bright or dull a color is. So when we talk about color, we always talk about the color wheel. And the color wheel is a tool that we use to help identify colors and the relationships between them. So we're going to kind of talk about some different relationships between colors, and we're going to talk about the two most basic ones today. So on page 2, you have the color wheel, and I need you to go ahead and color it. Now, when you are using Crayola, color pencils, or crowns, they will be named exactly those colors. All right, so you're going to be looking for all of those colors. You're going to color the 3 primary colors in the center, you're going to color the 3 secondary colors after that, and then you're going to color all 12 colors of color wheel. You have to place them in exactly the right place, or they will not create an accurate color wheel. So that is page 2, and I would use this page for reference. And if the colors you're using do not match the names, then you just need to try and match the color the best that you can. So page 2 is you are going to color in the color wheel. You get 1 point for correctly placing each color and correctly identifying the color. So when we talk about the color wheel is first organized by the primary colors, okay? Primary colors are always first, and they are the most important. So the primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. Then the secondary colors are next. So purple always goes between blue and red, orange always goes between yellow and red, and green always goes between yellow and blue. So here are our primary colors. Primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. An easy way to remember them, especially for us being from Kansas, they are Superman colors, Superman's from Kansas, or they are Jayhawk colors, red, yellow, and blue. These are the 3 colors that you need to use to create any other color. You cannot create red, yellow, and blue because they are primary. So on page 3, you are going to color the Jayhawk using the primary colors. Now, yes, I understand it's just a coloring page. However, you get the 5 points for coloring it neatly and nicely. When you mix red and yellow together as a primary color, you get a secondary color. So red and yellow make orange. When you mix red and blue together, you get a secondary color, purple or violet. And when you mix blue and yellow together, you get green. These are the 3 secondary colors. As you can see, a secondary color sits exactly in the middle of 2 primary colors. So once again, yellow and blue make green. Orange is made by red and yellow, and violet or purple is made from red and blue. So on page 4, you are going to color the Kansas State page using the secondary colors. So the football would need to be orange in that case. All right, so these are the 4 pages that you need to complete today, and they will be due at the end of the week. We will move on to more pages tomorrow.